The term central tendency refers to a value that is representative of a set of data. The measures of central tendency are arithmetic mean, median, mode, geometric mean, and harmonic mean. Mean is also known as average. Calculation of arithmetic mean from ungrouped data. Now I am going to take one example. The monthly income of 5 persons is as follows: rupees 12,500, rupees 20,400, rupees 30,600, rupees 15,500 and rupees 16,500. Find the mean. So mean is equal to rupees 12,500 plus 20,400 plus 30,600 plus 15,500 plus 16,500 divided by 5. This is equal to 95,500 divided by 5 is equal to rupees 19,100. Calculation of arithmetic mean from grouped data. Now I am going to take one example. Following are the scores out of 100 obtained by 300 students in a mathematics examination. There are 50 students who have scored between 30 to 40, 60 students between 40 to 50, 70 students between 50 to 60, 40 students between 60 to 70, 50 students between 70 to 80, 20 students between 80 to 90 and 10 students between 90 to 100. So mean is equal to, x bar is mean. So mean is equal to summation of fx divided by n, where x is equal to midpoint of different classes. F is equal to frequency of each class and n is equal to total frequency. This symbol sigma is the summation sign. This symbol is the summation sign. This symbol is uppercase sigma. Now coming to the solution, scores are listed below: 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, 90 to 100. The midpoint of each class is 30 to 40 is 35, 40 to 50 is 45, 60 to 50 is 55, 60 to 70 is 65, 70 to 80 is 75, 80 to 90 is 85, 90 to 100 is 95. Number of students in each class, that is frequency: 50, 60, 70, 40, 50, 20 and 10. Total number of students is equal to 300. So fx is equal to 35 into 50 is equal to 1750, 60 into 45 is equal to 2700, 55 into 70 is equal to 3850, 65 into 40 is equal to 2600, 75 into 50 is equal to 3750, 85 into 20 is equal to 1700 and 95 into 10 is equal to 950. So summation of fx is equal to 17,300. So mean is equal to summation of fx divided by n is equal to 17,300 divided by 300 is equal to 57.66. So friends, that's it for now, and please continue watching my channel for more videos and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.